First, securely mount your BMX torque sensor to the loading bench's sensor adapter. Make sure it's aligned properly to avoid misalignment errors. Next, connect the analyzer to the sensor using the cable. The sensor and cable use ARC2 plug-and-play technology for a reliable connection. Connect the torque analyzer to the sensor cable, then power on the analyzer. If using the PTT, ensure batteries are charged or use the power adapter. For the LTT, connect it to your workstation as needed. Now you're ready to begin calibration. 1. Adjust the loading bench to fit your torque wrench size securely. 2. Use the ergonomic handwheel to apply torque smoothly and bidirectionally. 3. Follow your torque analyzer's instructions to record and verify torque readings. For detailed calibration procedures and settings, please refer to the full user manual. Your Mountz torque loading bench system is designed for precision and ease, helping you maintain reliable, operator-independent torque wrench calibration. Thank you for choosing Mountz.